Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of seasonal delights with the best Orgain Pumpkin protein powder on the market. Now, if you're like me and you love all things pumpkin spice, you're in for a treat with this seasonal flavor. Orgain has truly outdone themselves with this blend. But what sets this pumpkin spice protein powder apart from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk ingredients. Orgain prides itself on using only the highest quality, organic ingredients. This protein powder is packed with 21 grams of plant-based protein, derived from a blend of organic peas, brown rice, and chia seeds. And here's the kicker, there's no added sugar. That's right, you can enjoy the delicious taste of pumpkin spice without any guilt. Plus, each serving contains 5 grams of prebiotic fiber, perfect for supporting a healthy gut. And with only 150 calories per serving, it's a guilt-free way to indulge in your favorite fall flavors. But taste is where Orgain really shines. Whether you mix it into a smoothie, shake it up with almond milk, or even bake it into your favorite fall treats like pumpkin pie or muffins, you'll be blown away by the smooth, creamy texture and delicious flavor. So there you have it, folks, the best Orgain pumpkin protein powder you'll find anywhere. With its clean ingredients, unbeatable taste, and versatility, it's a must-have for any pumpkin spice lover. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the products you love. Until next time, happy blending!